Let's have a look at this first question here then, where we're going to try and find the missing side x on this triangle. So like I said, first thing that we want to do is whatever you're trying to find, label that as a. And because it's a missing side, it needs to be lowercase a. And then remember, directly opposite that needs to be your capital A. And then the B's and C's can actually go either way round. So let's put this side here that we're given, the 24, as lowercase b. Directly opposite that will be capital B. And then my C's must be the other missing parts. So we are being asked to find a missing side, so I need to use that first form of the sine rule, which is this top left one that we've got here. And all that we're going to do is fill in what we know and leave out what we don't know. So the lowercase a, we're going to call that x. Then it's over sine a. And we know that angle is 48. And then it's equal to lowercase b, which we know is 24, over sine of the angle capital B, which we know is 74. We could write that it's equal to c over sine c, but if you look at the triangle, we don't have either piece of information there. And also, more importantly, we've got enough information with what we've written so far. So this is essentially how sine rule will always work. You will not have to use all three parts of the equations, the a's, b's, and c's. You will only have to use two parts of them. So to solve this equation, to get x on its own, we need to get rid of this dividing by sine 48 that is with the x. And of course, if you want to get rid of a dividing by sine 48, you just times through by that. So essentially, x is just going to be equal to sine 48 times by this fraction, so 24 over sine 74. Put that in your calculator. And we get that x is equal to 18.55 to 2 decimal places.